6:14 this morning, and guess what? More severe weather yesterday. There was more on Saturday too, and more flooding mixed in, damaging wind, hail. Fortunately, no reports of tornadoes yesterday, but stormy conditions in many places while we've just been baking in the heat. The fronts have been up to the north, and that's where the stormy weather has remained. And still, those fronts are expected to stay to our north, but there's one front in Texas that's going to push a little bit farther south, and that's weakening that ridge of high pressure over us. So our rain chances are going up, but still not as big as they are to our north. So I don't want you to get too excited about the rain, but at least I can tell you that our rain chances are better than they have been, which is progress. Now, no rain to worry about early this morning. At the earliest, I think 11 a.m. is when we could start to see a few showers pop up right along the coast. And then for the rest of us, it's mainly going to be during the afternoon where we have a chance of seeing some isolated showers and storms. But as you can see, there are definitely some gaps where this rain is showing up. There's going to be more people staying dry today than seeing rain, but the chance is there for seeing some rain. And the big difference is that there's a chance of rain tonight as well. Most times this time of year, when we have just a regular sea breeze, it's always dry at night, but that's not the case tonight. There's still an opportunity this evening and into the overnight hours of seeing some isolated showers and maybe a couple of storms. Still, obviously, some gaps showing up. And tomorrow morning, there could be, unlike this morning, a couple showers around for the morning commute. But I think the best chance of rain tomorrow is going to be in the early afternoon, kind of peak sea breeze time. And notice some storms showing up in Cameron-Williston County, some shades of red. I think there could be some heavy rain around in spots tomorrow, but not everywhere. And by the time we get to about 5, 6 o'clock in the afternoon, I think that's going to be about it for the rain chances tomorrow. So rain chances are there. They're just not super high. The best chance of rain today is out at South Padre, but again, I don't want you to cancel your beach plans because it is just a 30% chance still, and it's just for the late morning, early afternoon, mid and late afternoon out the island will be dry. A kind of a small sea breeze effect today. 86 for our high out the island. The winds are still going to be with us today. Not as strong as during the weekend, but enough that there could be a few rip currents, and we still have a small craft advisory until 1 o'clock this afternoon. Looks like the winds might die down for the late afternoon, so boating conditions are looking better for the late afternoon and evening hours, and no more rain to worry about for the late afternoon and evening hours. Now, inland locations today, the rain chance just 20%. A fair amount of cloud cover, at times partly cloudy, but a lot of the day may end up being mostly cloudy. But with all the humidity, it's still going to be real hot. High temperatures are still going to reach around 97, and the breeze will be there, but it only is going to help so much. So again, for the 6th day in a row now, a heat advisory is in effect from noon to 7 p.m. The feels like temperatures this afternoon are going to range from 109 to 114 everywhere but the coast. So once again, stay hydrated, take it easy, take breaks inside in the AC because it's going to be real hot once again. 80 tonight, mostly cloudy. Still a 30% chance of seeing showers and storms. And our best chance is probably going to be during the daytime hours tomorrow. A 40% chance of showers and storms. Another windy day, still breezy on Wednesday, but the rain chance drops dramatically, just a 10% chance. Finally, one day with light winds on Thursday, and then it's back to breezy conditions on your First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast Friday through Sunday. But notice, after tomorrow, rain chances are just 10 and 20%, so hopefully we can capitalize on the little bit better rain chances today and tomorrow. We could still use some rain, and hopefully it'll help us cool us down a little bit as well. Guys, back to you.